just wanna go where love is alive, love is alive, love is alive. Just wanna go where love is alive, love is alive, love is alive. I really don't have to prove it, I'm afraid there's no way to lose it. Oh, I just wanna go where love is alive, so I'm gonna.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebeccah and welcome to Rebeccah TV. In today's video, I'm going to be going through step by step and showing you how to do a cut crease with eyeshadow. And I basically do a half cut crease where I put glitter only on the inner portion of my eyelid. So before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. So let's just get started. So I'm going to be starting off by priming my eyelids using the Urban Decay eyeshadow priming potion. Then, using a very fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be going into the Tartelette in Bloom palette. And using the shade Smarty Pants, I'm going to be applying this on my entire eyelid. Using an angled fluffy brush, I'm going to be going back into the palette, and this time using the shade Rebel, I'm going to be applying this as my transition shade. And using the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be picking up the shade Venetian Red with the same brush from the palette, and then applying this inside my crease. I'm also going to be blending the shade down to my outer V. Now, using the same brush from earlier, I'm going to be going into the shade Love Letter and applying this in my crease. And I'm also going to be blending the shadow upwards towards my eyebrows. Now, using the shade Leader from the Tartelette palette, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance brush and focusing the shadow in my crease and also blending it down towards my outer V. Now, using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer in the shade Toasted Wheat, I'm going to be using a very small brush and picking up some of this concealer. I'm going to start to apply it to my inner corners of my eyelid. Slowly adding on more concealer, I'm going to be running the brush along the crease of my eye and stopping halfway through my eyelid. Using the Modern Renaissance brush again, I'm going to be blending the shadows from my outer V into the cut crease to make it look more seamless. Next, using the Sleek palette in Gleaming in Gold, I'm picking up the two glitter gold shades and applying it with my finger only to the portion of my eye that had the concealer. And lastly, I'm just going to be applying some mascara to my eyelashes. So that is it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos like this. This video was requested, so if you want to see something specific with makeup or want to learn how to do something, you should definitely comment it below. I'll be glad to film it for you. All the products that I used today will be listed in the description box along with my social medias, so you should definitely follow me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them for you. And that is it for this video, so I will see you in my next one. Bye!